Hi.
Hi. Hi,
How
Sahil.
are
Hi,
you?
this is Prerna. How are you?
Good, good, good. See, I put on a shirt for you, yeah?
Thank you. How are you and what are you doing these days during lockdown?
To be honest, nothing. I was down with chicken pox and it was really, really bad, and I'm healing
Oh,
now. So I'm finally getting better. So my quarantine was pretty bad, yeah. I think it was
oh.
pretty bad. But now I'm in a much better state and I'm healing, so it's good.
But are you missing lights, camera actions these days?
Yeah, of course, I'm missing lights, camera, action because that's like a routine in life. That's like something that keeps us going. So I'm missing
Right.
that.
So,
You
any
tell me,
new talent?
how's your quarantine been going?
I'm working from home and I'm enjoying that.
But yeah, I see a lot of you are like really working. You guys are doing lives every day.
Yeah, and that's
Huh?
amazing. I think कुछ सवाल भी आ रहे हैं साहिल. So
Huh.
we'll take that later. But I want to ask you some few questions. Like, are you discovered any new talent of yourself during these days?
Sorry, I got a call. What were you saying?
Hello. Hi. Can you hear me? Sahil?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah.
I asked you that any new talent that you discovered these days of yourself.
The only talent I've discovered is to sleep and to just heal better because I got chickenpox around the 4th of April or something. So I think
Oh.
उसके बाद मैं सिर्फ I've just been resting. So I'm the worst example of quarantine.
Oh.
Utilization of time. मेरा utilization of time is zero right now. But I still say
But
जब
I
आप
hope you are feeling better now.
yeah, I'm feeling much better. But before I got chickenpox, 23rd से ही lockdown हो गया था. So I was working out a lot. I was being very, very fitness oriented. I was working out a lot. And उसके बाद, when I got this bad news, then I obviously had to heal. So now my only regime is to take bath with neem water. That's all I do every day. Just neem के पानी से नहाता रहता हूँ so that I heal. And yeah,
I think
but
that's
cooking
important.
वगैरह nothing. Yeah, I've not been doing anything. No
Okay. And
cooking,
how is your
no.
pet?
Oh,
I
he's
missed
good.
him. I don't remember his name.
Daku, he's right here.
Daku. Hi, Daku. How are you? He's so
He's
sweet.
he's good. He's not wearing a t-shirt today, weirdly. So, but yeah, he's good. He's good. How's everything going with your office and everything? All your colleagues?
Everything is fine, and we are like engaging ourselves in work. So, Sahil, we will take some questions from viewers.
Yeah,
आपको दिख रहे हैं कुछ questions वहाँ पर?
I see a lot of people joining in right now. Somebody didn't take care, bhai. I'm taking care. Hi, Ma. Chotu Kumar saying hi, Ma. Hi, Pa. And I
So,
see.
Sahil, during this lockdown,
Hey, Sahil. Hi, MSD and Shreya. I'm good. I'm feeling better. Much better. Kevin, भाई अब आतंक मचाएगा हाँ यार आतंक I'm wearing my like I'm legit dressed up for your life because मैं एक महीने से I've just been like sitting in my ganji and shorts and just like getting bored यार
oh,
because अब this whole lockdown's getting to me also. It's very very difficult because I'm to taking it very seriously. मैं बिल्कुल बाहर नहीं जा रहा. Social distancing I'm totally maintaining and I hope everybody's maintaining it. And you can't take it non-seriously. You can't take it not so
exactly.
seriously. You have to be very serious about it
But
because
what
I
were
mean,
you doing before 3rd April?
what am I doing? What was I doing before 3rd of April? You mean
Yeah.
before for the yeah before that actually I was मैं YouTube में videos लगा लेता था fitness videos and then I would work out like for 2 hours and put the air conditioning off and really sweat it out. So like that was my regime. लेकिन अब now I've taken it easy but I'm gonna start working out from tomorrow because मेरे को doctor ने बोला कल से I can start again. So I'm gonna start working out tomorrow. Now I've even started writing. By the way, it's quite personal, but I've started writing a diary. Like I
Wow,
start
that's
like
great.
yeah. That's one thing I started doing, जो मैं पहले नहीं करता था. So now I started writing a diary. I write whatever comes to my mind, and every day when my day ends, like what did I feel good and not so good about. So I started writing that.
But I missed your performance. Like I missed watching Hasmukh. I will watch that really soon. But tell us about your experience in that, Mr.
Hasmukh Hasmukh is a special appearance. I would say that you should watch it for Veer Das, I would rather say, or for he's written the show, he's produced the show. So, but Hasmukh for me, I did it for MA Entertainment. I did POW with them. So Nikhil Advani, sir, and Nikhil Gonsalves, who's the director of Hasmukh, they're like family. Yeah. When I was shooting Panipat, they said you have to do this part for us. And Nikhil Gonsalves, the filmmaker, said that you have to. It's a superstar who's on drugs and like who's like really crazy. So I think you'll really pull it off. I don't know why did he say I will pull it off, but because I'm nothing like it, I don't do drugs, and I'm very, very simple and basic. But yeah, so I did it for them, and then it's interesting. A lot of people have liked it. A lot of people have found it very funny, so it's good.
Uh,
What's the
MSD Shreya is asking, what's the thing you are looking forward to after lockdown?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to meeting my family. Really, I know a lot of people are looking forward to meeting their families. I'm legit missing them. I miss them a lot, and I'm actually, I'm stuck alone. मैं बॉम्बे में भी अकेले फंसा हुआ हूँ. There is no family with me, and of course I can't meet my friends. And I got chicken pox. Sad story, sob story. मेरी जिंदगी की. So it's been a very bad month. That's why I think I'm going to meet my family, go visit them. It'll be great.
But how are you keeping yourself positive these days? And it's very important to.
I'm not really, to be honest, reading the news too much. I'm not reading it too much. I'm reading it like, say, at night before I sleep. I go on Twitter. I'm not even active. I'm not somebody who likes to get into arguments with people and Twitter pe main ye bolunga, koi aur wo bolega, and then we'll fight about it. I'm not that guy. But I go on Twitter. I read out ki bhai aaj kya hua hai pure din, and then I just think over it and sleep. I'm not somebody who overthinks it. So I'm not trying to watch the news too much, watch the statistics too much. I had even put a story earlier on Instagram. Shuru mein, it was I think March ending May. I was really worried about this whole, this Corona thing and how people were not taking it seriously and सब लोग बाहर जा रहे थे, घूम रहे थे. तो इसलिए I put a video about it, but then I stopped watching it. Some people are not listening. Some people are just not listening, and I don't think this lockdown is going to get over anytime soon. What can be done about it? I don't know.
Someone asked question about are you going to cut your hair by yourself?
Kunal, hi Kunal. I'm not too sure, yaar. I wanted to cut and get a buzz cut, get completely short hair. फिर उसके बाद मैंने सोचा अब करूंगा तो अगर जब लॉकडाउन खुल जाएगा सब I'll start filming again and then it'll be a problem. My look would be a problem. So that's why I think now I'm not going to do it. पर अगर ये पहले मेरे साथ हुआ, अगर पहले if I could have done it in the beginning of April, I would have done it. I was really kicked about it. Then I saw everybody started doing it, yeah. जिसको देखो सब अपने बाल काट रहा था, right? Yeah, so I was like, अभी छोड़ो यार, अभी सब काट रहे हैं, it's okay. Now I'm gonna skip it, अभी I'm not gonna cut my hair. पहले I was thinking though, yes.
Okay, Mohit Anand is asking, Sahil, tell them about your set experience on Panipat with Arjun and Ashu sir.
Ashu sir I've done Everest with him. So for me, he's like family, like I really look up to him. He's a genius and he's such a legendary filmmaker. So I did Everest and then I did Panipat with him. So he's like family, man. Of course, it was a great experience. Like, he's like a mentor to me. And Arjun is so cool. He's such a cool guy and he's quite a good actor. And I think it was a blast. He's a really funny guy. So I had a good time filming with them. Jonita, hi, Jonita.
Jonita joined our live session. Hi.
Yeah, Jonita. She's a very, very close friend. Like, I love her. She's so sweet. And what a voice. Like, I'm a huge fan of her voice. Like, she sings so well.
I think she's asking some question. My question for you is, when you're better, will you learn to cook something?
Because Jonita and I the other day were talking about like cooking, and she was sending me she'd made rajma chawal, I think, so she'd send me a photo. But okay. I told her कि please fake Google की photos मत भेजो मेरे को आप because I didn't believe that she could cook rajma chawal. But people are learning cooking. Yeah, she's learning cooking. Yeah. So I think I'm also gonna probably try my hand. But I suck at it. I'm not too sure if I'll be a great cook, but I'll try. I don't know. I'm not too sure. Yeah.
But Sahil, ऐसे हो रहा है कि during this lockdown, people are watching your performance in any television show or Panipat, and they are giving reactions to you on your social side. So ऐसे कुछ हो रहा है?
Yes, like there's this. I can't remember the girl's name. Wonderful girl. She'd put like a beautiful story about Everest. Everest came like 4 years back, 5 years. 2015 is when it came. So अभी भी उसने Hotstar पे उन्होंने जाके सारे episodes देखे. She was in awe of it. I think Everest, unfortunately, was a little ahead of its time for Indian television, I would say, if I can say that. And my next series, POW, also, I think was maybe, I don't know how to put it, maybe slightly ahead of its time. I hope it comes on a online platform, because POW is something I'm really proud of, and a lot of people loved it when it was on air. But Everest they can still watch on Hotstar. A lot of people are. Panipat, a lot of people are watching on Netflix. And now actually a lot of people strangely have been messaging me about Hasmukh, and Hasmukh is like, I did it for MA, and it's just, I'm in episode 7 and 8, and it's just like a fun thing I did, but a lot of people find it quite funny. So I'm glad about that, because I think Hasmukh is very new also. Now it's trending on Netflix. So yeah.
Right.
Sonia, hi
Shreya is
Sonia,
asking,
hi Umar. Huh?
Shreya is asking, Everest has a special place in our heart. One of the favorites.
Yeah, I know. I just hope they could like play it again, if at all. And yeah, but I think I would hope that more people watch Panipat on Netflix. Unfortunately, I don't think a lot of people saw it on the big screens. If I don't know if it's the right thing to say, but that's what I think. I think it should have been seen by a wider audience. It should have been seen by more people. And if they haven't, it'll be great if they could watch it on Netflix, because then they can have an opinion about it, like if they liked it, didn't like it, and stuff like that. Amit Verma is hi Amit, how are you?
Any special memory of Panipat you want to share here?
Sorry, any special moment about Panipat?
Yeah.
So, to be honest, I'm from Jammu. I have no film connections. To be a part of such a big film, and it was quite a substantial part. If you watch the movie, you'll know how substantial it was.
Right.
So it's. I think it was quite a cool thing for somebody like me. Like I don't have dinner conversations about movies. I don't have film stars coming to my house for dinner. You know what I mean? It's not like my uncle's coming home and saying, "Arey beta, next kya picture banaya?" So it's a very, I don't know. So for somebody like me who's from Jammu, to do a film like Panipat did make me feel very slightly excited or proud about it. And I wish more people can watch it now and see. And I really transformed for that part. I don't know how many people could see it. Like for Shamsher is like, I don't even look like myself in the film. Yeah. Like I just don't look like, I have long hair, I have dadi, and there was so much physicality in the film. Like I hardly look like myself. So it was a part that I think was a dream come true for it could be a dream come true for a lot of actors. Like at least for somebody like me, I was very excited about it. To be shooting with Ashutosh sir and on a film like this.
Robin is saying hi, Hindustan Mims. So many people are asking, how are you?
Sahil, Ramiz is a very cool paparazzi photographer. He's saying Sahil Bhai center look. Oh, that's why he's saying Sahil Bhai center look, because he's a paparazzi photographer. He's damn cool. And yeah, so that's why I think he's saying center look. But I don't know, man. I just hope this lockdown ends now. I'm really, really bored out of my head. I hope I could just like step out, meet my friends, meet my family. That's something I'm looking forward to.
Mohit Anand is asking, but Shamsher was amazing. I know how you were always ready.
Mohit Anand assisted also on the film, by the way. He's I think he was the second AD on the film Panipat, and it was a huge setup. Like there were too many people on that film. It was like I would say it was at least 500 people on sets all the time. Yeah, if I'm not exaggerating, like it was a lot. And Mohit was very, very hardworking. He would and there were so many actors. If you watch a film like Panipat, have you seen Panipat?
Yes, obviously.
Okay, yeah. So there were like too many extras and too many secondary actors and too many actors who come and go. So it was, and plus I gave like a year and a half to that film. So like literally a year and a half because
Sahil, मुझे आपकी आवाज कम सुनाई दे रही है अभी.
Now can you hear me better?
Yes.
Now can you hear me better? Okay.
Let me do this like this. Okay.
I think period films are. They just take a lot of time, man. And I just it's like a lot of hard work. But what an experience to do a film like Panipat. It was great. It was great.
Sahil, during this lockdown, हम सब घर पे ही है, लेकिन जो भी आपको फिटनेस ट्रिक है लोगों को पता है, तो any fitness tips you want to share with us?
Yeah, I would say fitness is very personal. Please don't take tips from people. Everybody's taking tips these days online. Everybody's making fitness videos. And inspire अगर आप हो रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. अगर आप inspire नहीं हो रहे हैं, so don't push yourself, but don't go out of your way. Don't go mental about it. Even just, especially quarantine के वक्त, if you're just walking a little, or if you're just inside your house, if you're just doing a few jumping jacks, doing a few whatever basic exercises, they are more than enough. just keep yourself moving. मतलब इस lockdown के दौरान don't hurt yourself. पता चले you end up hurting yourself, and then like it becomes a bigger problem, and you have to go to hospitals for that.
Someone asked about your hometown. Are you missing?
Oh, my hometown is Jammu. Actually, I'm from Jammu, and I'm very very proud of it because it's a beautiful city. Have you been to Jammu? Have you been to? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
I'm saying, have you been to Jammu?
No.
Oh, you have to. It's a beautiful little city, and
but I will soon.
yeah. So I'm very, very proud of the fact that I'm from Jammu. I'm not from Kashmir. A lot of people confuse it that I'm from Kashmir. I'm actually a Rajput from Jammu. I mean, we are all the same. It's one state. How does it matter? But still, I'm from Jammu city. I'm not from Kashmir. And I think everybody should go there. It's beautiful. It's small, but it's beautiful. It's something that yeah.
Someone asked question about how did you prepare for the role of Shamsher?
Yeah, too much. Yeah, like it was. I just think it was a lot of preparation, and physically I gained a lot of weight, obviously. And then because otherwise I was quite leaner when I was before I started filming Panipat. And then every day it'll take me 2 hours to become Shamsher, with the whole hair and the whole dadi. So physicality was quite a big thing for me, like I mean in terms of Shamsher in that character. Then I learned horse riding, of course. I learned talwar bazi, like the whole sword fighting. That was also one of the things that I learned. But all the actors learned it. It wasn't that only I learned it. Arjun also learned it. Kriti also learned it. And there was Abhishek. There were other actors also with us. Everybody learned it. So because it was a war film, essentially, so there was a lot of physical homework that went into it. So that is something that
Amandeep is saying same here, Rajput from Jammu.
Oh, great. Yeah, I think these days, like a lot of so Panipat ka ye hua that a lot of people from Jammu have seen it on Netflix now. So that's a good thing, like earlier I think they didn't watch it in the cinema, unfortunately, but I think a lot of them are watching it on Netflix now. So I get a lot of messages from my I would say family from Jammu, because they all like family. It's a small community. Yeah? It's a very small city.
Mohit is saying he was always on time on set. Wow, that's great.
Yeah. Professional.
Munish is asking, love your role in Everest serial. Hasmukh role couldn't understand your role.
Because Hasmukh was such a crazy role. Even so, Hasmukh, I don't know. You have to watch it. I can't explain it. Like it's not something that I think the filmmaker can explain it. But it was a fun part to play, man. Like a superstar who's on drugs and who's completely cuckoo and like is stripping on set and basically trying to hump everything that moves. You know what I mean? Like it was quite a silly part. Like, but I loved playing it. But the whole series, have you seen Hasmukh?
No.
Oh, you have to watch it. Watch the whole show. It's pretty hilarious. It's pretty cool. It's dark comedy.
But I will watch soon.
Yeah. It's dark comedy and it's pretty cool. You should watch it. Not just for me. Watch it for the entire series.
Kamakshi Salaria is watching you, Chachu.
He's my brother from Delhi. Hi.
Okay.
And Kamakshi is like my little niece, and she's I think 2 years old right now, or 1.5 years old. And Aditya, hi Aditya. Hasmukh, yeah. I wish like more people watch both Panipat and Hasmukh now, because especially Panipat, I would say, because I worked really hard on it, and Hasmukh was a fun ride. It was something I did for fun and for my like for MA Entertainment, because they're like, I did POW with them, so they gave me such a cool part to play. Like I'll always be thankful to them for Yusuf that I played in POW. I loved playing it. I got good reviews, so I had to do it for them. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, yes.
Stopping.
Voice is little bit low, but I can hear you.
It's echoing, huh?
Yeah. What's the series you are binging during lockdown? Are you watching any web series?
I saw this series called Unorthodox, and I highly recommend you that you watch Unorthodox. It's such a wonderful series. You know, it's about this. It's about a Jewish family, and it's. I didn't know. I mean, I don't want to comment on the culture, of course. Like, but I was quite surprised at how that protagonist was so suppressed in that culture. You know, like, and it's a beautiful. I especially recommend that all women must watch it, and all the Indian men must watch it because we have so much chauvinism in our society. They all need to watch it and let people live, be it men or women. You know.
Anita is live. What's your relationship with fashion? Hi, Anita.
Hi, Anita. Hi. She's so, isn't she like so wonderful? I think she's like the fashion legend of the country. I love
Yeah, yes,
Anita.
I met once during Lakme Fashion Week.
She's she's wonderful. You know, Anita, my relationship with fashion is very, to be honest, if I could hashtag it, I would say moody. You know, I don't want to like put myself in a box when it comes to fashion. It depends on my mood. Like right now, I'm wearing such a silly cartoonish shirt because it had been a month. I was down with chickenpox. I was like in my gungies and my shorts, so I thought I would dress up for this little conversation. So it's very as per my mood. I don't I don't really have any peer pressure, or I don't really follow
Okay.
trends so badly. You know, like I'm not somebody, oh, now let's just wear ill-fitted clothes because they're in. Whatever I feel like, whatever makes me feel comfortable and feel slightly sexy, that's fashion for me. It's personal. Yeah.
Sahil, any positive thoughts you want to share with the viewers with us? Because we are in lockdown. I think it's been a month. We are at home.
Positive, you mean like a positive piece of advice? I would say my positive piece of advice would be please try and be constructive if you can. But if you're not being constructive, that's also okay. Don't force yourself. Don't like be like, oh shit, I have to wake up at 6 a.m., then take a shower, then have a routine. Whatever you feel like happy about, whatever makes you happy, please do that. That
Right.
is the way to go. Yeah, don't fall under any pressure. So if you want to water the plants, do something as small as watering the plants, and then post it on Instagram that how you're doing a little bit of
So
gardening.
sweet.
You know, yeah, because maybe in life you won't get time to do gardening, right? Later, because you'll all be so busy. We'll all be like moving on with the lives. So whatever those little moments you can catch here and there, do that, and don't put too much pressure on yourself. But please, social distance. Don't step out.
Yeah.
Do anything ka
Yeah.
matlab
That's
ye nahi hai that you
important.
guys go out for a little party. Please don't do that.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Sahil, and be
Ah, it was
safe.
my
Take care
pleasure.
of yourself, and thanks for joining us.
It was my pleasure. All right. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.